Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to use design templates on Kittl to customize them and to use them for your personal as well as commercial projects. For instance, to sell them as t-shirt designs in your own e-commerce store on various print-on-demand marketplaces. So guys, as you can see, that's the homepage of Kittl. You can sign up on Kittl free of charge using, for instance, your Google account. And once you're inside, select templates from that top menu here to use these templates. For instance, guys, if you don't consider yourself neither talented nor skilled in graphic designing, but would like to create some brand logos or t-shirt designs, for instance, to sell, you can go with templates of t-shirt designs, for instance, brand logos, YouTube thumbnails, postcards, flyers, social media posts, and so on and so forth. For demonstration purposes, I will go with template of the t-shirt design, so click on t-shirt here, and next browse through the list of available templates, customizable templates below to use for your content creation project. You can also niche down a bit and go, for example, with t-shirt templates in the typography niche or vintage styles t-shirts, or simply search for templates under specific keywords here in that search bar, or select a theme from that list here. For the sake of this tutorial, I will go with that motivational design for gym or fitness enthusiasts. To use the given t-shirt template for your own project, guys, click on use this design here in the upper left corner, and that will take you to the editing tool here on Kittl, where you can edit and customize your design template according to your own imagination and taste. For example, add new elements or replace elements, add all kinds of ornamentations, change the font, change the text, the color, the alignment, and so on and so forth. Play around here as much as you like, guys. And once you're ready, click on download here in the upper right corner to download your t-shirt design on your computer to use it for personal or commercial projects. Just bear in mind, guys, that with a free membership here on Kittl, you are required to give credit to the original author or to the artist and also to Kittl in your design, so don't forget to do that. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.